I managed to get a brand new RTX 3070 Founders Edition for $500. That's the MSRP in this current market just a few days ago. Yeah, I'm going to show you what I did, and maybe it'll help you be able to get one too. My name is Chris, this is Coalition Gaming, and today I'll be your computer technician. So like I said in the intro, getting a graphics card right now, especially a 3000 series RTX card or a 6800 or 6900 XT, is damn near impossible. And if it is possible in some other way, they're definitely more expensive than they should be, whether it be from scalpers, whether it be from just MSRP of the partner cards going up, all that stuff. And you gotta say, right now, like, the cards that are the ones to get are the Founders Edition card, because Nvidia is keeping the MSRPs the same. That's $699 for a 3080, $499 for a 3070, and what is it, $399 for a 3060 Ti, and upcoming $329 for a 3060. Those are great prices, but anything that's gonna be from a partner card, let's say MSI, Gigabyte, anybody like that, EVGA, you're looking at least a $50 to $200 price increase on top of that, if you can even get it. So MSRP Founders Edition card, though, that's the way to go. Also, it's good that for this generation, Nvidia kept the best GPU dies for those cards. Who'd have thunk? You may be wondering what this graphics card was for, or who it was for, and that was to upgrade my channel partner's computer. That is Wheezy, Wayne, Weezinator, whatever you guys might know him by, who's behind the camera a lot of the times and also doing a lot of the editing and stuff. So upgrade his computer. Now he's going to be coming from a 1070, so this is going to be a huge upgrade for him. So yeah, here's a little bit of B-roll on that. So let's cut to the chase then. What I did was find a stream, in this case it's somebody named Falcodrin, who is on YouTube and Twitch, where he keeps track and has alerts and checks stock of all these graphics cards, be that 3000 series graphics cards, the RX 6800 and 6900 XTs and non-XTs, and even the AMD Ryzen 5000 series CPUs. He also has a Discord where you can get alerts when this stuff pings in stock, so you can be very on top of it. And that could be really helpful for being able to get one before, I guess, other stuff becomes a factor in you being unable to get one. Now, Falcodrin's script and all his Discord stuff checks mostly for graphics cards from Newegg, Best Buy, and Amazon, as well as I think the Zotac website, since they also sell direct. However, they are really active in there, and so for sites that can't necessarily be tracked, like AMD Direct, yeah, that also gets pinged when those go live. So there are multiple avenues to try to get a card, but the best way, in my opinion, is to get one from Best Buy. Real quick, if you're new around here and are into tech, PC, hardware, gaming, stream tips, news, and reviews, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button and that bell so you don't miss a single upload. Also, I stream to Twitch every Friday at 8 p.m. Pacific at twitch.tv/Coalition Gaming Crew. So make sure to stop on in, drop a follow, and let's talk some tech. Now, a long time ago, when the 3900X came out, those were really hard to get for a couple of months. Now that's nothing compared to how hard CPUs are to get now, but I managed to get one through Best Buy when I couldn't get one from anywhere else. And here we are again in 2021, and I managed to get the 3070 from Best Buy. Who'd have thunk, right? So what I did was just keep track long enough to sort of learn the patterns that Best Buy would stock, almost to the point where I didn't even need the Falcodrin stuff as much anymore. And because I've had the closest luck with Best Buy from before that, well, this time it was try to basically focus on Best Buy, because they're the only place you can get the Founders Editions cards for MSRP pricing anyways. So that's where my focus is. Now it seems like they stock their stuff every other Tuesday. at 8 a.m. Pacific. Well, between 8 a.m. and 9 a.m. Pacific. That's the timing to get. Now, they have moved around a little bit. I've seen stock on Tuesdays and stock on Fridays, but always within that 8 to 9 a.m. hour. So if you're unsure, or if you think maybe they're going to sort of surprise stock, then all you really need to do is keep an eye on the Best Buy website for the cards that you're interested in, the FE cards in this case, between the hours of 8 a.m. and 9 a.m. Pacific every day. Now, realistically, it doesn't need to be every day. It just needs to be a couple of days a week, every other week, once you know when they've dropped. Now, Falco Drin streams track when the drops are, so you can just look there, calculate your 2 weeks out, and then you can look at where you're gonna need to be when you're gonna need to be online to check the Best Buy stuff, and boom, you're gonna be having a good chance at it. Now, once you're on the Best Buy site and you see it go in stock, you'll see all the alerts on Falco Drin stuff going off and all that sort of stuff. But if you see that button say add to cart and you click it, just wait. It'll say please wait. You can keep clicking it as well, but don't refresh, otherwise you'll lose your spot in line. Best Buy has a system where if you click the add to cart button, basically it'll check inventory, release inventory, and then light up again to add to cart. And at that point, pedal to the metal, check out as fast as possible. So to do that, prior to getting all this going, what you need to do is set up your account on Best Buy. Make sure that the store that you select is the store that's near you before going through the cart process. And make sure you have your payment method already completely filled into Best Buy. Also, they will ask you to log in once you add the cart and try to check out. Make sure your account's either already pre-logged in or you know exactly what your password is. And then also your phone number that's tied to that account, you will be asked to get a verification number, and there'll be an option for email and an option for cell phone. We'll do the cell phone because it's much faster than email. You could lose it real quick on the email. Cell phone's practically instant. And follow those steps and you have your best chance at getting an MSRP NVIDIA Founders Edition RTX 3000 series card, just like I did. I did nothing special other than sort of keep track of what's going on and when to check, and then boom, checked out, got the card. Hey, and not only that, I also got a Ryzen 9 5900X the same exact way from Best Buy. That's 2 successful tracking down of graphics card and CPU to get a whole system started that way. So I'm not doing anything special. These aren't review units. Nobody's sending me anything. I'm putting in the work to get what I want. And I understand that right now you don't need to, you shouldn't have to do this. Yeah, you shouldn't have to do this. That's true. Unfortunately, the truth of what's going on right now is you need to put in work to get what you want. And if you're not willing to put in that work, how bad do you really want it? So I'll leave links to Falco Drin's stream pages on YouTube and Twitch, as well as this Discord, so maybe you guys can join in and have a good chance at getting something that you're looking for. Hopefully you found this video informative, entertaining, useful, or any of that stuff. If you like this video, you know what to do. Click that subscribe button as well, and join us on our Twitch streams, or follow us on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, all that stuff. Everything will be linked down in the description below. We'll see you guys in the next video or the next stream. Talk to you later. Bye.
There's fat loot over here.
Which side? Which side?
The bricks.
There's a door on every side, I think.
Yeah, the bricks with the hole in it.
There's a brick, there's a brick thing on
right here.
every side.
Alright, here you go.
Is there anything good inside?
There better be if it's that guarded to get in.
Wayne, watch out!
What?